95.3 FM.
68 World Radio.
Crackles and Gaff with you Monday morning, and Gaff.
Yes, Crackles.
Dude, I went to uni the other day.
Yep.
And it was one of those times where, you know, you've had maybe too many coffees.
Oh, you're too hyped up. You're pepped. You're jittery.
No. More like the coffee reaction
to
the body, not so much the mind to the body.
After poo.
Yeah. If you want to call it that.
What'd you do?
Just blatantly saying out there, Jeff. People are trying to have their own coffees now. They don't want to throw up.
Yuck.
Anywho.
So you were turtlenecking, is that what it was?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's just say the sweater was a little loose.
Ooh. Were you on the bus? Is that what you were? No. Where were you?
I was at uni.
Oh, you were at uni?
Yeah.
In the middle of a lecture?
Not in the middle of a lecture. The lecture was well on the way.
So you couldn't just burst out going, oh my God, run out holding your pants.
Yeah.
Can you leave lectures? I don't know. I haven't been.
No, you can. You can bail them.
Yeah.
But it's a little bit rude at the same time.
It's like, I've had enough of you talking.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave.
It's kind of like, you know, you walking away from one of your friend's speeches.
Yeah.
When he's at the pub or something.
At his 21st.
Yeah, he's 20. Gotta go.
Yeah, sorry, mate. Mid-speech. See you later.
Left the iron on.
Yeah.
So anyway.
Yeah.
So I went to the man's room, right? And I was sitting down and realised, like, I was on the back of this door,
Yeah.
a whole bunch of uni graffiti.
Oh, right.
So normal graffiti, Jeff, for people who don't know,
Yeah.
usually is quite abusive
Yeah.
and lots of pictures of things,
Yeah.
body parts,
Usually
I would say.
stick men.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And phone numbers like call me
Yeah.
and stuff like that. So it's quite abusive, very red light, I would say, graffiti.
Yeah. Things you don't want to see when you go to the toilet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is different.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you after this, Jeff.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you what I saw
Yeah.
and how weird it is. I'm going to show you uni graffiti.
Okay.
But what I noticed, Jeff, was a complete different kind of graffiti.
Okay.
In the uni toilets.
Yep.
And I'll just give you a taste of what I saw
All right.
on the wall. Okay.
Okay.
So someone's wrote, "What is the worst Silverchair album?" ?
Trivia.
And then there's another pen. Like, obviously, someone's come in
Yeah.
and seen it, read it, answered, right? Young modern, and then ... right?
Yeah.
Like, is it?
Yeah.
Then it's the person who wrote the original question has answered it correct.
Oh. So it's a bit of study. It is studying. in the
Studying. Doesn't stop there. This is a bit hard one. I don't even understand it myself. I'll give it a go.
toilet. Yeah.
Fear is of someone telling you you are to grow, and a picture of a tree.
Because trees grow. So when
What's
you're
the
scared,
fear about?
When you're scared, you're stepping outside of your box.
Did you draw this?
I might have done that one.
Graffiti artist. All right.
Yeah.
Another one for you, Jeff.
Yep.
Thou shalt not be afraid, for the terror by night, for the arrow that fleeth by day, for the destruction that waseth at Monday. Very poetic.
That is, yeah. Wow.
I think they're talking about our show.
I think
Yeah.
that uni students are smarter than the average graffitier,
Average bear.
so they can't make it dumb. So to you, but you are a uni student.
Maybe they're trying to dumb it down.
Maybe
This is as dumb as they can get.
maybe that's what they're doing. Who
They're
knows?
riddles, aren't they?
They are riddles.
Or maybe that's what most graffiti is. It's supposed to be a riddle,
Yeah.
but other people that write them aren't, probably hitting the mark.
Teaching you life lessons while you go to the loo.